Hi all, welcome to our channel. This is question regarding for YouTubers. Suppose first time is making a videos and how we can club the videos. Like we can give the particular any kind of titles. We can give this one. There is a multiple options are here. Anyone to make the video purpose, they're using for number of softwares are there. How can I club the multiple videos in particular option? That is called I have the four videos. I have to club it. We are using for so many software for adding for title everything music everything purpose. There is a simple technique will be here. That is one of the software is called Canva. It is a completely free. Go to video option. There is a call Facebook video, video manage message, mobile video, YouTube video. Select the YouTube video option. 1920 by 1080 pixel. Here first you can add by the what are the video you can add will be here, that you can add by one screen. First of all, we can add by the welcome screen option. The welcome screen, compass important. Welcome, sub. What are the welcome screen here? Set as a background. Next, we can add option. We can upload the videos. We can upload along with original music and any music as you wish. There is no complaint weighted any options. But subscribe option compulsory important. Next, one, two, three, four. There is all options. Set as a background. Set as a background. Next, set as a background. Next, last option, subscribe screen, set as the background. Everything is perfectly finished. So yeah, if you are selecting any audio purpose, number of audios are here. Any number of audios you can use in for your option. So right now, I'm using for this audio will be without copyrights. So select it. Enter video will be selected. Subscribe will be not required. Just keep it will be like this. Now share, download. This will be complete download will be MP4 format. And here anything changes required. Suppose here is the option. Check for the screens. Everything here. There will be adding for logo option. There is a no copyright purpose. Enter video. You can add your logo option. Download. Add your title. Anything will be possible. If you want title anything, they will be here. Now you can go with the download procedure. How much take time for here? There will be less than 2 minutes or less than minute. They will time taken based on the video option. And a few more software is there. That is called OpenShot. The software we can download. We can making for the video for the particular users. There will be particular softwares. This will be complete for online options. This is complete for online option. This is a video we can club. How many videos you want, you can club the video. There is a different sizes. This and this will be same size. Nothing will be different. This will be message type. This will be video type. Based on the message type, they are providing for some templates. Less templates will be free. Remain all will be paid templates. This all will be pro is a paid. Remain all will be free. How much free? Previous 50% is a free, 50% is paid. But now will be everything will be paid option. We have the number of elements, photos, how many photos you want, you can everything will be download from the a particular option. That is the things. If you want the original music, everything will be possible in this particular option. Now it is here. Right click. We can option will be here. Everything will be particular things. For suppose split page, add transitions, lock page, delete page, anything. Page title, everything will be possible in a particular option. So this is the one of the thing. This will be easy video maker. This all videos are will be there into the my channel. Just to begin video making with the easy video maker. Number of options are available. Follow this particular instruction. This is nothing but video will be making by using easy video maker. That option also will be available on particular video making purpose. If any have questions about video making using Canva and what are the methods we can follow, everything we can discuss in a particular class. If any further question, comment me and contact me. I definitely will be support. If I forget any comment option, please contact my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.